action camera on today. Trailer's all on, kayak's there, good to go. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in Fordwich, Britain's smallest town. I'm going out kayaking on a hunt for a perch. I'm getting a bit obsessed with them. I did order some new lures. They haven't arrived, typical. They'll be here at 10 o'clock today. Just have to use what I've got and see what I can see. Looks like I'm the first one on the river this morning. That's my plan, get out here nice and early before the rush. People seem to have gone mad for kayaks over this lockdown, so I wanted to beat everyone out here. Looks like I've done it, so hopefully we'll get to my little spot, do some fishing. I've seen a pike along here before, a couple of times actually. Not really where I like to fish, but I'll have a few casts over here anyway, just in case. So I've got a family of swans swimming towards me, which could be interesting. Got past the swans alright. See, if this had a rudder, I wouldn't be in the bush right now, so I'd be able to control where I'm going. Only downside to this Galaxy Cruise, just needs a rudder. Got a bit of control where you're going.
To be honest, I don't really like lure fishing this time of year. It's too weedy. Normally October, November, December, January, February. But there's just too much weed at the minute. But still, it don't mean we can't catch nothing. So we still just got to carry on. The lure of a fish is too much for me. I have to take a fishing rod. I've just pulled up on the side for a bit. I know there's a few perch down there normally. I'm going to have some lunch. I'm going to try and pull some out as well, get a few perch. And I've just spoke to some blokes a bit further down. They've had 4 pike each. So after that I'll make my way down there, put a bigger lure on and have a go for some of them. Don't try that at home. Do not snatch your lure out the tree like that. Jesus. Put my bigger lure on, see if we can get some of these pike out. Seem to have more luck with this. A lot of weed here, a lot of weed. I think I found a log. There you go, stick. A lot of weed and shit in it. Lots of shit in this water. It's not what I want. Don't really like it. There's too much weed. I'm just getting snagged as soon as the lure lands. So I'm going to go back out the wind and out the flow of the water. I think the tide's coming out and dragging all the shit out with it. I'm going to go back up there a little bit. Out of the wind, out of this flow. Look, it's a bit choppy. Not really too keen on it. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Come on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, perch, 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 perch. God for that. Oh. Yes, finally caught one. Beauty, absolute beauty.
finally got a perch on the Chebarushka. Beautiful. Just swap hands and I'll let him go. Well, I'll let him go now.
Finally, just caught a perch. Taking me ages, so I'm going to sit here against here. I'm going to have a few more casts, have some lunch because I haven't even had it yet. I've been too focused trying to get a fish. Yeah, see if I can catch another one now. Just letting it drop a little bit and then starting the retrieve. Just so much weed. You get tugs every few seconds and you think you're on a bite. I don't seem to have the best of luck fishing from a kayak. I do really quite well fishing from the banks. You'd think I'd do better, I could get into better locations, but I haven't really done that well on the kayak fishing. But we're going to try and get out on it this winter, see if that makes a difference when there's less weed and I can get the lure into the better locations. Because at the minute I'm governed by a strip in the middle, can't get really to the edges, and the strip in the middle isn't long enough for the lure to get the action. So I've called it quits after catching that perch. I had a few more casts, it didn't get much. The play and play kayakers are all coming down now thick and fast, so it's become a bit awkward to fish in between them. So that's it now, I'm heading home. Hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate anyone liking and subscribing. So it's been a bit awkward to film. There's not much really going on. It's either fishing or paddling. But caught fish, you get to see a nice perch, and I've had a nice morning out, and you can see what I do. Thanks for watching.